next to you and say, hey, pull the red strap, and then you pull the red strap and the chute will go in the water.
Alrighty, 1 second. Alrighty, man, let's do it. Let's do it. Holy shit. Gang, gang, mother... Holy moly! High anxiety. Woo! Yo, this is crazy, bro. Whoa, look at our feet. I could fly, so I could live high for you.
Man, you gotta go to the skyline.
Woo! Woo!
Don't grab nothing above you. You catch him.
That one, this one, that one, that one. Oh! Oh man.
Be careful when you reach back, man.
Woo! Holy shit. I hope it worked. I'm trying to make it, I can't see shit. That looks so pretty, man. Holy wow. You want to do jet skis or no? We do. They said they were down for the music video. Yeah. It's a music video.
What are you gonna do?
This like rap that I wrote a long time ago. I had a dream about Lil Wayne, and he was like on the beach, and he was like up, down, side to side. You want to see the truth? Just look at the sky. Yeah, it would.
And they're from Virginia.
Are they really?
Yeah.
They said that?
Nashville.
Kathy, Jackie, and Matilda.
Yeah. Kathy went amazing. Drag. I don't know where that. I don't know where that. Yeah.
I wish I could fly, fly, fly.
Yeah, the jet skis would be fun. You gotta get that.
Whoa! Wipe, 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 wipe. Evan, what do you have to say from up here, from this view? Has it changed anything?
Man, let me tell you, life is life. Life is life. I don't know much to say on this, but it's pretty good. Good out view.
Beautiful. Look at the view.
Look at this. It's all sunny. Sun came out.
Yeah, it looks great. What if we fell right now? What if we fell right now? I'm cutting the cord.
Shut the fuck up.
I'm doing it.
I can't.
We always do what you want to do. Just let me do this. Will you let me have this?
Look at that, dude. God, dude.
Hey! L'chaim for Hashem, the Most High. Woo! Hey!
Nah, it's fine. Don't wait back.
Flying, there's not a star. Where at? Dude, I can't believe I puked.
What? When did you do that?
I was literally like I got heat exhaustion or something.
When? Today?
Yeah,
You puked when you were running?
yeah.
How are you standing there?
Like on the corner. Dude, I was fucking, oh man, I was heat exhausted. It was crazy. Oh, my bad. You ever just want to cut the cord and just have it take you? Whoa.
Woo! Hello!
Hey!
Got him.
Holy moly. And whoa! Woo! Oh, life of love, bloody love. Oh, oh. Into the future. Whoa. That was fun. That was fun. Thank you, y'all.
No problem, buddy.
That's fun, man.
Get down there. Just go ahead and take those harnesses off for me.
You got it. Hey, 2021. We're having a good fucking time.
It was awesome.
That was so much fun.
It was very relaxing.